So I'm just getting the garlic ready. I'm gonna chop the chilies and crush the garlic, and then I will also be cutting one red onion. Okay, so prepped everything ready. All we're gonna do is pop our garlic, our chilies, bay leaves, our onions, all in. We are then going to add our oregano, smoked paprika. My eyes are still watering from the onion. Still didn't try that hack. Anyway, moving on. Salt, sugar, and juice of a lemon. Add your half a cup of oil, and then the coriander. Okay, ready for the blend. That actually smells insane. Oh, spicy, but insane. Literally gonna pour our marinade. Oh, amazing. Okay, so your chicken should look something like this once coated. So I've just literally rubbed it everywhere on the chicken. We're now going to cling film over the top of here and pop them in the fridge and marinate for as long as you can. Minimum an hour. Okay, we are going to